Hi there guys and guys, good evening. Sad to say, ticketing is already closed. We didn't catch it up. And the Harry Potter Deathly Hallows Part 1 and Part 2 are not on IMAX format. It's a regular showing and it's 5:15 and 8. And they still have Free Care Friday and Bambi. But the time is some kind of early, so I don't know if I'm gonna catch it again tomorrow. You know what guys, there's a Annabelle doll here. See that? For the Conjuring movie. A warning. Possibly do not open, otherwise you'll be cursed. Yes, the Conjuring, the last rites. Okay, let's just take a look for this images. Okay, it's like a clown, and oh my gosh, the nun. Remember the nun? Some other stuff. So, you know what guys, even though it's not originally one or it's just a replica, but still I can still feel the fear on it, especially the neck. But I really want Annabelle. But for now, I'm gonna go back to Cubao.